Hey guys, this is Alex from Central Florida Enthusiasts. Today we are going to be covering Icebreaker at SeaWorld Orlando. So let's go.
Alright, so here we have the track storage lot. As you can see towards the back, we have a ton of track. And we also have one or two pieces up here in the front. There's some more over here on this side. But overall, that should do it from the track storage lot. Alright, and right next to the front entrance, you can see there's some Christmas decorations coming up. Weird mix with Christmas decorations and Halloween decorations. Let's go inside the park. Alright, so we're inside the park now, and we're over here by the sea of trees, and as you can see, Christmas is starting to go up. That's going to be a continuous theme with today. Also, cranes are up by the construction site, so let's get in for a closer look. Alright, so here we have a closer look, and a lot of work has been done. Over here we have some foundation work being done, and then over on the left side of the site, a lot of supports are going up. A lot of work has been done on the main launch straight. Some supports for it are going in, and I'm actually going to circle that and right about now. Alright, moving on over to the other side of the construction site. A lot of supports are going up, and they continue to go up. Sorry, it was a very bright day yesterday. That should be better. And yeah, here's your closer look. And we have some more Christmas decorations going up. We also have the Santa's base camp store sign already set up. Alright, and we have some more construction equipment over on the other side of the walkway heading over to the Bayside Amphitheater. During Christmas Town, we'll be able to go over there and check it out. But in the meantime, don't go back there. That is a restricted area. Don't go beyond this fence.
Do you want to know what it is? The Matrix is everywhere. It is all around us. Even now, in this very room. You can see it when you look out your window, or when you turn on your television. You can feel it when you go to work, when you go to church, when you pay your taxes.
Over here by Infinity Falls, we have some construction walls up. I believe this is either going to be an information booth or a relocated smoking section, because right now the current smoking section is right next to the construction site, and they may need to expand the construction walls. So whatever it is, it's new.
Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Alex from Central Florida Enthusiast. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you already are, don't forget to hit that bell notification. Give us a comment, give us a like, let us know what you think. Anyways, guys, this is Alex checking out from SeaWorld Orlando. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.